Allah says in the Quran in Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 110. Qulidullah avidur rahmana yamatadu falal asmaul husna. Say, call upon him by Allah or by Rahman. By whichever name you call upon him, to him belong the most beautiful names. You can call Allah by any name, but it should be a name given by him. It should be a beautiful name. It should not conjure up a mental picture. And this message that to Allah belongs the most beautiful names, besides Surah Isra chapter 17 verse number 110, is even given in Surah Araf chapter number 7 verse number 180, Surah Taha chapter number 20 verse number 8, and Surah Hashar chapter number 59 verse number 24, that to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala belong the most beautiful names. But we Muslims, we prefer calling Allah by the Arabic word Allah instead of the English word God. The reason is, a person can play mischief with the English word God. The Arabic word Allah is unique.